In the wild, elephants eat for 18 hours a day. They have to. Elephants digest less than half their food. The rest of it goes straight through and out the other end. That's more than 155 kilograms of dung a day. Their fibrous dung balls show just how incomplete their digestion is. This is great news if you're a baboon. Their diet is mainly fruit. But fruit contains very little protein. There are no baboons at the nursery, so a lot of dung means a lot of work. While the orphans are out, the keepers have a chance to clean up. Like humans, individual elephants have very different personalities, and there's a noticeable difference between their stalls. The two older orphans are tidy. There's very little food on Musoli and Zambzi's floor. And their toilet is neatly by the gate. Little Nkala is the youngest, and his stable is a different matter. Food and dung are mixed together and spread all over the place. He's still got a lot to learn. It's getting late, and it's almost time for the orphans to return to the nursery. With no mother for protection, the calves are nervous. They're okay with warthogs, but for Zambzi, the sight of a zebra is too much to bear. Without waiting for the others, he heads for home. Fortunately, there are no predators in the game park. And Zambzi gets into his nice, clean stall, safe and sound. In the wild, a lone calf attracts attention. Other than humans, lions are the greatest threat to elephants. This little one would make a hearty feast for an entire pride. Luckily, its mother is far too attentive to leave it in harm's way. Calves are at risk until they are at least 4 years old. To protect them, the family moves in unison. A united front of tusks and trunks is enough intimidation. Lionesses aren't the elephant mother's only worry. Male lions can be as much as 50% larger than females. When it comes to bigger prey, a male's extra power gives him the edge. Even a solitary male can kill an elephant calf. At Leili Nursery, the youngest orphans have got a lot to learn before they'll be ready for the wild. For now, they just need to keep growing and keep getting stronger. The new day promises to be hot, so the keepers take the young elephants for a treat. A couple of kilometers from the nursery, there's a lake. The perfect place for a picnic. A dip in the lake is a great chance to cool off. Through the constant, dedicated care of their keepers, the orphans have escaped death and their future looks bright. Musoli and Zambzi have learned all the core skills the nursery can teach them. And in a couple of months, they will graduate to the Camp Phoenix release facility. Then it will be Nkala's turn to be big brother to the next orphans rescued from the bush. He'll help guide them on their journey back into the wild.